Hey everyone, today we're looking at how to design a contact screen using the Ionic Design Kit. Let's get started. On the left, we're working with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center, you'll see the layout designed using the Ionic Design Kit. On the right, a phone emulator shows the real-time results of our code. Pause the video anytime if you need to go over the details. You can find code snippets and instructions on our website. A contact screen is the central hub for managing connections. It helps users find and interact with people effortlessly. A good design ensures easy navigation, quick search, and clear organization. The smoother the experience, the more likely users are to stay engaged with your app. The Ionic Design Kit simplifies the process by providing pre-made components that are ready to use. Instead of designing everything from scratch, you can work with well-structured elements that fit seamlessly into the Ionic framework. This makes development faster and ensures consistency across your app. Designers can focus on creating a great user experience, while developers can integrate features without spending extra time on layout and styling. A well-designed contact screen improves user engagement and makes your app more intuitive. With the Ionic Design Kit, you can build it faster and with a more polished look. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, check out our other guides on Ionic app development. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!